Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the 2010 Ford F-150 and in this video I'm going to show you how to do the oil change. So let's get started. This one has the V8 5.4 liters. The recommended oil viscosity is 5W20. So we're gonna use 6 quarts of 5W20 engine oil. This is the oil filter, the reference TL24651. Let's go underneath the car. Okay, and right here we're gonna find this plug. This is the oil plug. So this one is a nut number 17. Now we're gonna take off the oil filter, and is it located right here, down there. So to take it off, it is better to come right here underneath this side, you see, and grab it from the bottom with both of your hands. Just like this, so I don't spill any more oil. So now let's put on the new filter. Let's clean where the new filter sits on. So this is it. So now let's put back the oil pan drain bolt. Very good. So now let's pour in the new oil. Now let's put back the cap. This is how you change the oil in this Ford F-150 2010. Now to reset the oil change reminder, I'm holding it. Oil life 100. All set. Something that I like to do, just to print the oil change reminder tag to paste it in the windshield so you can remember easily when would your next oil change be due. If you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching guys. See you next time.